Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Face ID in the Chase mobile app so you can sign in faster and more securely. To get started, open the Chase mobile app and sign in using your username and password. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon and go to Profile and Settings. From there, select Sign In and Security. In this section, look for the option that says Face ID or Biometric Sign-In. Tap on it to continue. Next, toggle Face ID on. The app may ask you to confirm your identity by entering your Chase password again. Follow the on-screen instructions and allow Face ID access when prompted. Once Face ID is enabled, log out of the app and sign back in to test it. The next time you open the Chase app, you'll be able to sign in using Face ID instead of typing your password. That's it for this video. If this tutorial helped you set up Face ID in the Chase app, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.